actually very nutrient dense, this recipe. It's part of my calcium rich series. So we've got some ground almonds in there. Almonds are fantastic. They're nutrient powerhouses. We've got calcium, we've got magnesium, which is an anti-inflammatory, and then also in tofu, which is packed full of calcium. So a lot of people think that you can just get your calcium from dairy products, milk, cheeses, yogurts, that sort of thing. But I'm here to tell you that that's not the case, and yeah, we've got some pretty yummy foods coming your way, which might be quite surprising, that are actually quite healthy for you. So if you are vegan or plant-based, the recommended daily allowance is about at least 1,000 milligrams of calcium per day. So really, if you are, sometimes use a MyFitnessPal app or something like that. If you can just record what you're eating in a day, it will show up how much calcium you're actually getting through your diet at the moment. So that for me was a huge eye-opener. So yeah, it's definitely a top tip to see what sort of vitamins and nutrients you are getting in at the moment, and just making sure that you're getting the right level through all of that. Yes, so let's get started.